Looking for water softener maintenance, service and repair in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how important it is to have reliable, efficient soft water in your home, especially with the hard water issues common in Edmonton. Our expert water softener maintenance, service and repair ensures your system runs at its best all year, preventing common problems like mineral buildup and extending your system's life. Whether you need routine maintenance or professional repairs, we've got you covered. In Edmonton, we know that hard water can create serious issues, which is why our team provides tailored solutions to meet your needs. With Kingstree Plumbing, you get certified, friendly technicians, upfront pricing, and fast, reliable service. Keep watching to learn why we're the trusted choice for water softener maintenance, service, and repair in Edmonton. For expert service, give us a call or book online today.